Why don't senior citizens play hide and seek with their bicycle seats? Because good luck trying to find one that's comfortable to sit on. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on bicycle seats for seniors. Tip 1. Select a seat with ample cushioning. As we age, our tolerance for riding on hard and uncomfortable bicycle seats reduces. Hence, select a seat with ample cushioning to provide the necessary comfort and in turn help enhance your cycling experience. A gel or foam cushioning can offer more comfort than plastic or leather seats. Tip 2. Choose a seat with an ergonomic design. An ergonomic bicycle seat is designed by considering the body's shape and movement, which can help reduce stress on the body, avoid back pain, and enhance the comfort level for seniors. Tip 3. Consider a seat with a backrest. For added support and comfort, some seniors might prefer a bicycle seat with a backrest. This added feature can help maintain balance and prevent back strain, particularly during a long ride. Tip 4. Pick a wider seat. Wider seats help distribute body weight more evenly, making your rides more comfortable. This can be especially beneficial to seniors as it can provide better support to the buttocks and lower back, thereby reducing discomfort and pain. Tip 5. Adjust the seat height properly. A properly adjusted seat height ensures that you can pedal comfortably without straining your knees or back. Experts suggest adjusting the seat height so that there's a slight bend in your knee when your foot is on the bottom pedal stroke. Tip 6. Ensure you have the correct seat position. The forward-backward position of your bicycle seat can have a significant impact on your comfort during rides. If improperly positioned, you may experience pain in your knees or back. Experiment with small shifts until you find a position that feels natural and comfortable. Tip 7. Prefer seats with shock absorption feature. A bicycle seat with shock absorption can help soften the impact of bumps or potholes, providing a smoother ride. This feature is particularly beneficial for seniors to help protect against jarring impacts that can stress the joints. Tip 8. Select a seat with easy installation and adjustment feature. For seniors, replacing or adjusting a bicycle seat should be hassle-free. Select a seat that comes with easy installation and adjustment features to save time and reduce the risk of injuries. Tip 9. Choose a seat cover for added protection. Adding a seat cover can provide some extra buffer and protect the seat from wear and tear. It can also be easily removed and washed, keeping your bicycle seat clean and hygienic. Tip 10. Consider your cycling needs. Depending on your cycling needs, recreational rides, physical exercise, long-distance trips, select the type of seat that will give you the most comfort and support. For instance, if you cycle long distances, opt for a seat with high-density cushioning for enduring comfort. Tip 11. Consult with a professional. What works for one person might not be best for another. Consider seeking advice from a professional to help you choose the best bicycle seat for your specific needs, physical condition, and riding style. This way, you can ensure that you're investing in a bicycle seat that's truly conducive to your health and comfort.